Jai Hind all of you. So let's start with today's topic, which is the chromosomes. Alright. So today we are going to cover the chromosomes in our next video, in today's video. So let's see what is the chromosome. Chromosome is actually a thread-like structure which develops and then it carries all your hereditary characters. Okay, so chromosome is responsible for the hereditary characters, and this chromosome you can see at the time of the cell division. Okay, so it can be seen in your cell division where this is developed from the chromatid structure. Now these chromosomes are somewhat like this, but when they get paired then it becomes like this. Okay, so now let us see that what are these and what are the different forms of this particular chromosome. Now this structure which you are watching is called as the centromere. Okay, so this is the centromere. Now when the gametes are formed, at that time they get divided and they are present in just a single structure. But when they meet with the other gamete and fuses, they get duplicated by themselves and joined with the other one of its own kind. For example, as you know, in humans there are the 23 pairs of chromosome. Alright. So what happens, in each of the gamete there are the only 23 and 23. So just for example, if this is the chromosome number 7, then the chromosome number 7, this is the chromosome number 7, then at the time of the zygote formation, the 7th chromosome of the other gamete will come and fuse over here, and this will make the 7th pair of chromosome. Alright, so this is one of the major thing which is responsible for your hereditary characters, or the characters which you inhibit in your living life cycle. Now let us see the types of chromosomes. Okay, so let's see its different types of chromosomes. So on the basis of the presence of the chromatid material centromere, these are divided. For example, metacentric is one of the type. Then there is submetacentric. Okay, so metacentric, submetacentric, then acrocentric, and there is a telocentric. We'll see them one by one. In the metacentric type of chromosome, you will see the centromere which we have discussed, this one, it is in the mid. Whereas in the submetacentric part, you will see this metacentric is, this centromere is little bit towards the polar area, towards the edge. It's not exactly in the mid. Whereas in the acrocentric, you will watch that they are present a bit more towards the edge section, and you will see a quite differentiated structure. This one is the quite lower, this one is the quite smallest one. Whereas in the telocentric, you will find it on completely at the edge. This kind of a structure will be seen in the telocentric form. Alright. So now when you will see the chromosome structure, you will find it is having two arms actually. So this arm, this is the one arm of it and this is the other arm of it. If I will draw this arms, you can see that, okay, so this is the centromere and these two are the arms of the chromosome. Okay, so one of the arm is called P and this one is the Q arm of this particular chromosome. You will always find that the P arm is small and the Q arm is the larger one or is the large one. Okay, so this is about the your chromosomes arms. Now the centromere which you see, this is actually a spindle fiber at the mitosis. This helps to join with the spindle fibers at the mitosis time, right? So you have seen that here these are the fibers, right? So it helps here to get connected over, okay, and later on it gets formed.